Bullish Algorand cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 95 cents and $1.80 by 2030. Market examiners accept ALGO could reach 73 cents by 2025. Bearish Algorand market cost expectation for 2023 is 16 cents. Algorand presentation. The Algorand digital money has experienced issues ascending past its ICO value since its commencement in 2019, when the blockchain collaborated with Coinbanks to foster El Salvador's digital money foundation. The cost of ALGO flooded in September 2021, in spite of the fact that it has in this way lost most of these additions. Examiners and sites that conjecture costs are hopeful that it will one day again arrive at comparative levels. What follows for the altcoin, then? We should analyze the Algorand blockchain's activity in additional profundity and look at its cost advancement. What is Algorand? The Algorand blockchain, which expects to answer the catch-22 of safety, speed, and decentralization, involves ALGO as its local money. Algorand achieves this objective by making and approving its blocks by means of an agreement strategy called unadulterated evidence of stake. How much ALGO a client wagers influences how haphazardly the block chief and approval board are picked. Algorand was laid out in 2017 by teacher Silvio Macaulay of the Massachusetts Organization of Innovation in the U.S., and its blockchain and neighborhood money appeared in June 2019. The ALGO coin cost in a flash fell a day after presentation. Algorand central examination. In June 2019, ALGO sent off its underlying coin offering with a $2.40 sticker price. Value tumbled to $2.16 on June 22, the main day of exchange. This was just the beginning as the value continued to decline throughout the resulting months, hitting a low of 19 cents on September 27, 2019. This crash happened for various causes. The first was the 10 billion symbolic stock that would be conveyed bit by bit. Algorand said that 3 billion ALGO will be sold at public closeout throughout the span of the initial 5 years following the organization's foundation. Notwithstanding the elevated degree of public premium, the market couldn't deal with the gigantic measure of ALGO and financial backers' $24 billion valuation. One more likely figure the breakdown of the value of ALGO's money was private financial backers. Financial backers bought ALGO through confidential position adjusts, which fixed the coin's cost somewhere in the range of 5 cents and 50 cents. At the point when the token was delivered, it had a worth of $2.16, permitting individual financial backers to make critical increases. Previous Algorand establishment tasks boss Chen Fengfeng addressed a letter to the monetary local area. The letter guaranteed that early supporters had presented the drive to extreme dangers by undercutting and unloading coins, as indicated by worldwide coin exploration. Algorand's specialized investigation. Subsequent to being added to Coinbase, the cost of ALGO's money expanded. It was one of the swiftest on the stage, as indicated by Algorand. At the point when the news was delivered, the cost had ascended about 30 cents. Throughout the span of the accompanying year and a half of exchange, ALGO attempted to get past the 50 cents limit, not to mention outperform its underlying cost, regardless of a couple of increments. The cash began seeing a bullish pattern toward the start of 2021. All through the year the token supported this development, ultimately hitting a long-term high of $1.71. Like the previous cost fall of ALGO, various variables could have caused this increment. Stablecoin interest was the first. Stablecoins consolidate the dauntlessness of government-issued money with the decentralized attributes of digital currency. Algorand has arisen as a serious option for stablecoin guarantors since Ethereum has costly gas costs. El Salvador, in August 2021, announced that Algorand will act as the establishment for its digital money framework. At that point, the coin was going for around $1.12. In the days that followed, the expense soared to an unsurpassed post-send-off high of $2.38. Algorand is presently worth 21 cents USD. ALGO has moved 1.88% as of now with an exchanging volume of $58,288,859. Algorand is presently positioned 39 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,484,634,682 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Algorand to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Algorand market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Algorand Value Expectation 2023. Algorand, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The ALGO cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to 31 cents. Similarly as with other digital currencies, The ascent will be progressive, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 29 cents in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is doable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Algo is supposed to have a base worth of 25 cents. Algorand value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Algorand Algo cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of a LGO will before long outperform 52 cents. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the ALGO's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ALGO will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 42 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 46 cents. Algorand value expectation 2025 in the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 73 cents and ALGO might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ALGO is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 67 cents and a low of 63 cents in 2025. Algorand value expectation 2026 assuming Algorand effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money devotees. The ALGO coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ALGO will be green in 2026. The ALGO is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 95 cents, with a base cost of 84 cents and a typical cost of 88 cents. Algorand value expectation 2027 after some broad determining and specialized examination. We gauge the ALGO cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.10 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.06 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ALGO has a most extreme value worth of $1.16. Algorand value expectation 2028 because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.31. On the off chance that LGO figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $1.37. Neglecting to accumulate the help ALGO needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $1.27. Algorand value forecast 2029. While ALGO is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $1.48 and a yearly cost close above $1.59 in 2029. Algorand value expectation 2030. By 2030, Algorand will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $1.69 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $1.80, averaging out at $1.73. Algorand value forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many